So you're going to load the data first. This data is very big, and I'm going to name this as restaurant inspection report. So here most of the data is in CSV file. So I'm going to click CSV file and go to open the CSV file. Open calendar. When all this I'm going to edit, make it shorter so that you don't have to wait long time till all the tables get loaded, because the data looks too big right now for me. So I guess table 1 is loaded, and once the table is loaded, I'm going to create a decomposition tree. So yes, now table 1 is loaded. CSV file, I'm going to CSV file, city lookup CSV. I'm going to load this city lookup. And I'm going to load it. Yeah, I'm going to create decomposition tree, and I have never shown how to create decomposition tree in Power BI. So in many of my last videos, I have worked with many data online and recorded it and uploaded it, but never I did online this decomposition tree. So today I thought I'm going to do this. Let's see how it goes. Decomposition tree, which some people feels it is not easy, though I never felt it is difficult. But anyhow, different people, different difficulties. So today this decomposition tree uses artificial intelligence. Since recently too many people are talking about artificial intelligence, so I thought today I'm going to do this so that you can learn how to create decomposition tree in Power BI. So in this I'm going to create two measures. One is violations. Put. Okay, now I have to load some more CSV data. Restaurant inspection, restaurant name lookup. I'm going to load, and one name lookup, sanitary grade lookup. This is a very short table which will be loaded in just a minute, because that is all it has, A, B, C, D. So all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I guess I have 6 tables, and all 6 tables have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have calendar, city lookup, inspector, region lookup, restaurant name lookup, sanitary gate. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, everything was okay. Sorry about it. So view, I'm going to see what is, I'm going to click format also, and now I'm going to go to canvas background and create the background black color, and bring the transparency to 0. As soon as the transparency comes to 0, I can see a black canvas paper, not paper. Okay, what's wrong with me? So right now this is our data. Let us have a look at our data view. So let us have a look at the calendar lookup. Okay. So we have transaction date, year, quarter, month, start of the quarter, start of the month, start of the week. So now, start of the week. Transaction date, okay, year. So here it is looking differently. Okay, city lookup, facility, city and region ID. Okay, that's okay. Inspector lookup. Full name, email, inspector role is inspector assigned region. Okay, this looks good. Region ID, facility region. Okay, let me have a look at this. This is the biggest data that we have in this. For me, this looks too big. Okay, activity date, employee ID, facility address, region ID, facility city, facility ID, facility name, facility state, facility zip. Okay, grade, owner ID, owner name, P, description, program element, program name, program status, record ID, score, serial number, service code, service description, violation points, violation code, violation description, violation status. Okay, so all this looks good. Let me have a look at the restaurant name lookup. Okay, so here I see this column 1 and column 2, which I don't like. So let me do one thing. Go to home. This is what restaurant name lookup. Transform data. I'm going to click transform data. And from there, I'm going to go to restaurant lookup. Restaurant name lookup. And here, see column 1 and column 2, which I don't like. Use first row as header. I'm going to click. As soon as I use use first row as header, things will change. And now let me see how this looks. Column 1, here also I think I have to make use first row as header. Now column 1 and column 2 will not be there. So let me see what's wrong. Okay, it's applying. So this column 1 should not come up like column 1. It should have a name for that particular column. Now after working out, when okay, why is it not changing? What's wrong? Why it's still showing column 1? Okay, what is it happening? Transform data should have changed. I have no idea what is going on. Restaurant name lookup. No, it has worked here. Change type. And let me see this. Yeah, sanitation. Okay, everything looks good. Why I was seeing column 1 there? Oh God, what is this happening? I have no idea. Okay, I'll think about it later. So now let me go here and see the tables. Okay, so I organize things little differently because if everything is so far away, I want to have a look nearby. So I'm going to reorganize stuff like this. So if you see, sanitation grade lookup has no connectivity at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a relation. Oh God, what I did? Where is sanitation grade? Okay, here it was. Suddenly, why did it happen? Okay, forget it. I'm going to bring it here and create a relationship. So let me see what relationship has been created. Working on it. Okay, so sanitation grade and grade has been upgraded. And let me see what relationship. Facility name, facility name. Okay, let me see. Okay, here. Let me see what it is. Facility city, facility city, facilities name. Okay, this looks good. Let me see what this say. Region ID. Good. What is this? Okay, I have to scroll down. Region ID, where is region? Okay, I think this is connected to that. Okay, yeah. So I had to scroll down to find this. Let me see what relation region ID. So the table looks somewhat good. So here the date has no connectivity at all, nowhere. Why is it like that? God. No, I think, oh no, wait. Organize it like this. So, okay. Facility name. Okay, facility name will be here somewhere. Facility name. Where is okay, facility name. Okay, this is working good, but why there is no relationship between month, quarter, start of the month, start of the week, transaction day, and year? I don't see any connectivity date with this, any of the thing here. Okay, forget it. I'm going to think about it later on. So here, and go to home. And go to visual gallery, stacked column chart. I'm going to add here in x-axis. I'm going to add facility region, I'm going to add. And in y-axis, I'm going to add okay, I haven't yet created a measure. Facility city. And in y-axis, we are going to add sanitation grade. So let us enlarge and see how this look. Okay, we are going to go back and change the color. And now, let's see what is it. I have to activate the format. Now, size and style. Let me make this black. Okay. And change this to gray. And this, so I'm going to shorten this title to inspection volume. Let me do this. God, let me change the name. Inspection volume. Inspection volume. So bold Since the background is black, the name should title. Since the background is black, all the titles should be in white. So let me see y-axis. Y-axis value should be in red. Let it be in white. Title auto bold. So count of sanitation. Okay. Legend bold. What is this? Legend should be, all should be in white. Okay. Title is on facility city. Okay. Grid lines. Okay. Zoom slider. Okay. Columns. Color. Okay. Columns. So many colors are there because that is the region's color. Different region, different color. Okay. Spacing data labels. Let me see. What is the data labels? All values. So values, let it be in white. Background. Background. Okay. Total labels. Okay, total labels on bold. Okay. Background. Okay. Plot area background. Reference lines. Okay, so everything looks okay. Now let me enlarge and have a look how it looks. What happened? Okay, so this is how it looks when this is enlarged. Okay, this I think, let me see. Title. Okay, where is data labels? This is something I'm not happy. Oh, why you're running? Sometimes it scrolls on its own. I have to check data labels. Is okay. What is happening? Why it is running? Don't run. Why are you deciding on your own where to go? Okay, data labels. Values. Where is data labels? God. Browse plot area background values. Total. Okay, let me see. When I put off, what happens? Okay, that is okay. Total labels is okay, but okay, this is plot background. Total labels is okay. Yes. Data labels on. Okay, I'm going to make data labels off because that's too much information in one test. So now Now let me begin with my other stuff like decomposition tree. So before going that, let me go to more here. Let me create some measure in restaurant inspection data. So here I'm going to create a new measure and the measure name will be violation, and in that I'm going to use count function. So I am here creating violation is equal to, I'm going to count function restaurant. No, what I'm going to do is violation code. So here I'm going to use violation code, close this and click OK. That is new measure percentage of violation. Again I'm going to use percentage of violation. Percentage of violation is equal to, again I'm going to use count function, and here I'm going to use violation code. This I'm going to add, close the bracket, plus function. Again I'm going to use count function, to take the count function, and then and then I'm going to put serial number. Here again I'm going to close the bracket and let's see how it works. Percentage violation measure I have created right now. So I created two measures. Now I'm going to go back here. Here I'm going to go for decomposition tree. So remember how decomposition tree image looks. Here I'm going to click decomposition tree. Here in analyze, I'm going to put violation. Then in explain, I'm going to put facility region. Facility region. And again, I'm going to put violation description. Violation description. Two stuff I'm going to put in the same thing. And now in the tooltips, I'm going to add the measure that I created. Percentage violation. Now I'm going to enlarge this. Now you will see, what is this? I don't see anything. And here I'm going to put facility. So now this is decomposition tree. So now I have to do some color stuff. So here I will pull this thing. Wait, I'm going to black. So you have this. Background is black. Visual border. I don't want black. Visual border is gray. Shadow is off. Oh no, on. And I'm going to put this also gray. Now, title. Title, I'm going to put. What title I'm going to put? Title text is violation by region and where is and type type. Okay, this I'm going to make it bold, and since the background is and I have to center this. Now why subtitle is off? Okay, this divider is on. Let it be light gray. Okay, where is that? Analyze tree. Selected lines. Selected lines. Let me change to this color. Okay, this okay. Unselected lines. So this okay, bars. Positive bar color, more colors, positive bar color, I'm going to put E1C 233. So the color combination now looks something better. Which one is tree primary color? Where is tree? Tree setting. Tree setting. Tree. more colors. I'm going to put 118 DFF. Okay, I don't know what is happening. Okay, now bar background. Category label. Category label has all the labels has to be white because values background is black. Then if the other thing is also black, it doesn't look nice. Header, title. Now this has to right now. God, it has to be black right now. Okay, background subtitle. Background is to be black. When background is a subtitle has to be white. And title has to be white. So let me have a look in full screen. What the fuck is this? Okay. So there is a, okay, so here there is a scroll bar. Okay, let me go back. So here I have arrow marks. So go and see. Can I make this small size height? Good, I guess. Okay, so okay, now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take a donut. Okay, God, why this is happening to me? I gotta move this thing up. This is occupying too much place. Not so close. So I will correct it later on. So now I'm going to take home. I'm going to click outside and I'm going to take a donut chart. Add I'm going to add so now I have to move this here. I'll correct it later on. Now let me see what I have. Format. I'm going to add format. Here I am going to change the background to black because I have been doing that for a pretty long time. Now here I have black, visual border Let me make it to gray. Shadow gray. So title I'm going to change to, this is not looking nice. Title I'm going to change it to sanitation grade. Sanitation grade. So I'm going to enlarge it, make it bold. Since the background is black, I have to change it to another color. No, I don't think I need subtitles. Okay. So now divider is on and I'm going to make it gray. Spacing, let me see how it looks. Guys, this is something everyone works differently. Mm, okay. So data point color. A, B, C. Data colors. Data point colors. This I'm going to change it. D710. So see, I'm going to change it to 6637. So let me see what color it is showing. What? Just now I changed. What is happening? E66C37. Let me see B, what is happening? Okay. Okay, so this is the color. So now, what is this? Now I have to change the size of this. Like this. I'm going to change the size of this like this. Okay, so let me little enlarge this. No, I guess it looks nice. So now what I'm going to do is go to modeling, go to manage roles, add, rename, and I'm going to name it lead inspector. Okay, lead inspector. What was that? lead inspector, region, add region ID. So here I'm going to edit this. Here what I'm going to do is lead engineer will be having access to 1-10. Okay, so here I'm going to add 1. I'm going to edit it, don't worry. Region, this I'm going to add 2. Okay, add region ID, add 3. And so 1 to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what is this region ID? 8, 9. Okay. Wait. So region 1 to 10, lead inspector will be having access to 1 to 10. Okay. So now I'm going to save this. Let save. Come on. What is wrong? Okay, so I guess it is saving. As I said earlier, I'm going to edit it, and from 1 and 2 directly I'm going to jump in the video to 10. But now one more I'm going to add. Click rename, and this is Chief Inspector. CHIEF, Chief Inspector. Chief Inspector, region lookup, add region. This I'm going to add 1 to 16, guys. So bear with me. I will be editing this video to, okay, add region 1, 2, 3. So I have 1 to 16 is going to be a long term, but I have to do region ID 13, add region ID 14, add region ID 15. Okay, add region ID 16. So this chief inspector will have access for region 1 to 16, and lead inspector will be having 1 to 10. So both, you know how I did. Now I'm going to save it. So once successfully applied role changes. Now I'm going to close it and go here, and let me see. I'm going to double click here, and I'm going to type inspection and violations. So inspection and violations. So here now this is the full complete. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this data. I'm going to rename it. I don't like this name. Restaurant inspection report, and I'm going to specialize this with my name, and I'm going to train. This is my report number 1. Save it. So now I have renamed this, not exactly renamed it, save as I went, yes. I have specialized this report with Lakshmi 1 because I have multiple reports in my workspace. Now I'm going to go home and I'm going to publish this. Okay. So once when I publish, this is my workspace. Here I'm going to select my workspace and I'm going to publish this in my workspace with a specific name so that if some other co-workers have the same table name, I don't want to get confused. So let us see in Power BI in my workspace how this looks. So I'm logging into my Power BI service to see how my report looks in my workspace in my Power BI service. So this is how my Power BI service looks. Now here I can go to manage permissions. Here dashboard, workbooks and datasets. So dashboard, workbook, dataset. So this is links, direct access. So this is I have created my account with this email. So this is my developer's email and this is my admin's email. Here in links, direct access. So I can add as many users I want. Mostly the companies will have distribution list. For example, there are 50 people in finance group. So I will have 50 distribution list or group list which I will be adding. Suppose I want to give the access of this report to the marketing list. Maybe I have 70 people working in the marketing list. So I will put that distribution list here and give access to my list of people. So here I'm going to add that you will get from your company. So here again I'm going to go to my workspace. This is my workspace. Here again I have to go to access. Here I will add all those names here. Names, email, distribution list, whatever you can name it. And here there are 3 things. The business user will always have only viewer access. And all the other developers, my co-workers, Power BI developers will have contributor or members. I will be clicking here. If that person is the end user or the business user, then that person will have only viewer access. Viewer can see the report only, cannot make any edits or changes. A contributor and member can make changes and make contributions. So this is how you give access to your business user and other developers and other stuff. So 2 places you have to give access. So there in my this I went here where modeling. Okay, got it. Here I gave access. Here going to the modeling view. Come on. And then manage roles. Here I gave access. Come on, start. Here I gave access doing this. You all remember that. Then I have to check here. Then I have to go, where did I go? Here, and again I have to give access going to my workspace. Here I have to give access. Here also, mine is test user. I have created this account, free account for, I have 18 more days left to train my students. I have done this. So this is how you create row level security.